welcome back to my channel. I'm EJ Beauty, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a highly requested video. I want to share with you guys my absolute favorite lip combo. It's very, very simple. I don't use a lot of like different lip glosses. It's basically different NYX glosses. So you know, you can just mix and match. That's always what I do personally. I never have like one set lip look, but I will like to say, however, that I love lip gloss. Okay, here I have 4 NYX glosses. So these are NYX Butter Gloss, extremely soft glosses that you just have to apply. You don't really need lip liner, but I will be using lip liner just because lip liners bring out my lips more. The lip liner I'm going to be using will be this tiny little lip liner that is my favorite of all lip liners. So this is basically by Mcgrath. This is my absolute favorite lip liner. Sometimes I just put the lip liner and just put some clear gloss on top and call it a day. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I'm gonna start by taking this off. All right, so one thing I forgot to mention is you have to get a lip liner that matches your skin tone. So this one is called Mcgrath Ground Control. This works for my shade. So you have to get something that works for you. Don't just pick any random brown lip liner. So this one is slightly darker because I want it to be a little bit darker so that the color comes out a little bit more, and it's just gonna be out there. First thing you do is line your lips. Take this tiny little lip liner and just go around your lips, just like so. And just like so. So now I have the lip liner on. And I do like so to mix it. So the next thing I will do is pick one of these 5 gorgeous NYX glosses. So I think I'm gonna start with, let's see what this is. Gingersnap. Gingersnap is my absolute favorite. Gingersnap is so popular. Gingersnap is the absolute way to go. Take a little bit right here. And I always start at the bottom first. So what I like is that it gives me like a uni color. So it makes my entire lip brown because I have like pinkish lips my inner lips are kind of pinkish. So this just makes the entire thing brown, and I love that. It gives it this beautiful nude color that I absolutely love. So now you can see the color is already popping out. Just gonna apply a little bit more. And it smells so good. If you want it to be even more glossier, you can apply some clear gloss on top. That's usually what I always do because I love glossy lips. So yeah, this is the look, guys. Just gonna come closer so you guys can see it. This is how this lip looks. I personally love this. I just love nude colors. Nude is really just my absolute favorite. I feel like nude looks good on anyone. Like, it doesn't even matter like your skin tone. If it's nude on you, it will just look good. That's just how I see it. So but this is really, really cute. I love this. Okay guys, this is Gingersnap, my absolute favorite. All right, so now we're going to move on to the next one. Gonna use my wipe here and just take this off. Okay, so now I've taken this off. I will go back with the liner and just line my lips one more time for the next lip gloss. All right, so the next one I'm going to use will be this one right here. This one is so cute. This is Madeleine. So Madeleine BLG14. That's the number for this lip gloss. So this is probably going to be so light on me, but let's see how it goes. Put a little bit more at the bottom. Okay, so you want to make it a little bit more visible. I'll go back in with the lip liner. Okay, so, and then lastly, use the clear gloss on top. So okay, so this is how this lip looks. So this was the, let me see what this was. Madeleine. Okay, this is how this one looks. Very, very cute and very pretty. All right, so I'm gonna go back in with the lip liner one more time. All right, so now for this one, I'm going to be using Creme Brulee or Creme Brulee. I don't know how to pronounce that, but we're going to see how this looks. This is extremely bright, so I'm kind of scared of how this is gonna turn out, but let's see. Okay. Okay, so I'll go back in with my lip liner. All right, so this is how this one looks. This was Creme Brulee. So I'll go back with the lip liner. And now I'm going to use the last one I have, which is called Angel Food. So Angel Food is really popular. A lot of people have been using this. I've seen so many good reviews about this online. So I've been so excited to try this. So guys, let's see how this goes. All right, so this is the look so far. I'm gonna go ahead and use some clear gloss on top to bring out the color a little bit more. All right, so guys, this is Angel Food. I am absolutely in love. I love this. And I especially love this because it brings out the pinkish color that I really like. Because I already have like a pink underlip, and this is like a pinkish, purplish lip gloss. So it brings out that even more, and I really like that. So, but guys, this is Angel Food. So that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you loved my little mini haul. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And let me know in the comment section which lip gloss was your favorite. And I will see you guys in my next video.